Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Trello for personal goals. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Trello.com. Go to Trello.com, and if you're already logged in, you should find yourself in such a page. So yeah, so you find yourself in such a page. Let me just wait for the page until it loads. As you can see right here. And if you're not logged in into an account, or if it's your first time, basically you'll be taken to this page. Instead, you can log in into an account if you have one. If you don't, click on Gets for free. And you can use like a Google, Microsoft's, Apple's, like if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself here. And as we said, we want to use Trello for personal goals. So you'll need to go and create a board that will be assigned for your personal goals. As an example, let me just go here and access like any board I have. So like I do have an organized one here. So yeah, this is an example. I have this template here for each day like goals, which is personal goals. So example, things I need to do in the morning. Like this list for the things I need to do in the morning. This list for the things I want to do after lunch, evening. This is the things that I done today. And this is example the things that I need to do tomorrow. And of course, once I finish something, I can just check it and take it to done. And yeah, I can even delete it. I can go and add some description to it if it needs more explanation. I can add some attachments, some checklists. I can assign some members, of course, if you're not. This is basically personally, so you don't need to assign any members. It's better for teams. But anyway, as you can see, and you can create or add all the things or all the goals that you want. So goal maybe number one that you'll need to achieve like in the morning, like after lunch, you have here goal as example number two or something like that. And yeah, you should be good to go. Once you finish it, you can just check it, take it to done or keep it as it is. And make sure to add before night everything that you need to do tomorrow. And you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching it. Goodbye.